You know, the secret to growing long, thick, healthy hair is right in your pantry. Let's get into it. Bay leaf. This is great for strengthening the hair follicles, balancing oil production, and reducing dandruff. Oregano. This is great for stimulating hair growth, strengthening the hair strands, and addressing hair thinning. Rosemary, we love her, we want her, we're keeping her. It promotes hair growth, strengthens the strand, and improves scalp health. Cinnamon, a powerhouse for everything dessert. Reduces dandruff, strengthens the hair strand, and improves the scalp circulation. Star anise. This is amazing for promoting hair growth, strengthening the strands, and combating dandruff. Cloves. We love her, we want her, we use her. It promotes hair growth, reduces hair loss, combats dandruff, and also improves scalp circulation. This is black seeds. This helps with reducing hair loss, improving scalp health, and strengthening the hair. Fenugreek. We love her. This is great for reducing hair fall, controlling dandruff, and promoting hair growth. All these herbs have a few things in common. Most importantly, they support the scalp health, which is super important. A healthy scalp equals healthy hair. It also promotes hair growth. Each of these herbs promote hair growth, and that is what we want because we want to grow long, healthy hair. It also strengthens the scalp. Each of these herbs strengthens the hair strands, and that's what we want. We want healthy scalp, hair growth, and strong strands. Now what I'm doing here is adding all of these herbs to a mason jar, and then I'm pouring hot water over these herbs, and I will let it soak for overnight or up to 12 hours. You do not need to use all of these herbs at one time. For the purpose of this video, that's why I combined all of these herbs together, but you can use them individually or in combination of two of them together, for instance, like rosemary and cloves, or you can add some more to your Ayurvedic tea, and you have an amazing hair growth spray for your hair that's going to promote hair growth, it's going to promote scalp health, and it's also going to promote strong hair strands. Would you give this a try? Let me know in the comments, and make sure to follow so you can learn about more tips on growing long, healthy hair.